Hey everybody, on this BathCrate virtual tour, we talk about eliminating a soaking tub, putting in a new custom window seat, and a beautiful new frameless shower door. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and BathCrate, and today's virtual tour is of BathCrate Tapestry Way in Pleasanton. Now, if the name of that street sounds familiar, it's because last week we profiled kbCRATE Tapestry Way. Of course, it's the same home, and this customer actually had us do a kitchen, a master bath, and a hall bath. So today I want to profile the master BathCrate for you. So the first thing you're going to notice about this project as we jump right in is the elimination of the soaking tub. So many people these days are getting rid of the soaking tubs. They're just not used very often. And instead, this particular customer chose to put in a nice window bench seat with a new custom wood top that's painted to match the rest of the vanities. Just love the way that that came together. It offers a good spot for the customer to have a seat and also some great storage underneath the bench seat. So what you'll also notice is just a beautiful new large shower area with a frameless shower door. So in this shower, we used a large 12 by 24 tile from Arizona Tile. And then on the shower floor, you're going to notice a very popular cut pebble tile floor that contrasts really well with the more monochromatic shower walls. Next, you'll notice the new vanity refinishing along with a quartz top, new sink and faucet, of course. And last but not least, this whole project tied together really well with the simulated wood tile floor throughout the entire bathroom area. So do you want more information about this BathCrate project, perhaps even seeing the detailed specifications? Feel free to go to kbCRATE.com, or if you have interest in your own BathCrate, give us a call, 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.
And today, well, you're just say I'll just go like this, and then you know what I'm thinking.
Do Apple phones even have ringers? Everybody know that has an Apple, has an iPhone, they never ring.
Yeah,
Just,
it's
just because we're more polite, I think.
as a species.
Yes.
I need someone to play Eye of the Tiger. Here we go. Profiling is no, I said BathCrate too many times. Wah wah. Hey everybody, what? Did you say something?